हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू माय चैनल। आई होप यू ऑल आर डूइंग वेल। आज हम इस लेक्चर में खिलजी डायनेस्टी के कुछ इंपॉर्टेंट क्वेश्चन को देखेंगे। अगर आपने प्रीवियस लेक्चर को नहीं देखा है तो आप प्ले लिस्ट में जाके प्रीवियस लेक्चर को देख सकते हैं। तो चलिए लेक्चर को स्टार्ट करते हैं। फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन, When he attained kingship, he was fully independent from rules and order of Shariat, for which Sultan Barani made this statement. किस सुल्तान के लिए बरानी ने ये स्टेटमेंट दिया था? जियाउद्दीन बरानी made the above statement regarding Alauddin Khilji. Alauddin Khilji was the first king of Delhi who established the control of the state over religion. In this context, he said, explaining his policy, I don't know what is correct or incorrect by law. I only give a command which I understand suitable for a welfare of the state or special occasion. उन्होंने अलाउद्दीन खिलजी के लिए दिया था। इसका करेक्ट आंसर हो जाएगा ऑप्शन सी। Which dynasty of Delhi Sultanate ruled for the shortest period? Sultan of Slave dynasty of Delhi Sultanate ruled from 1206 से 1290 AD. Okay. खिलजी डायनेस्टी रूल किया था 1290 से 1320 तक। तुगलक डायनेस्टी ने रूल किया था 1320 से 1412 एडी तक। सय्यद डायनेस्टी ने 1414 से 1450 एडी तक और लोधी डायनेस्टी ने रूल किया था 1451 से 1526 एडी तक। तो इस हिसाब से खिलजी डायनेस्टी का शॉर्टेस्ट पीरियड था। ओके, तो करेक्ट आंसर हो जाएगा ऑप्शन ए। Which sultan wanted to launch a new religion but ulemas opposed the move? Alauddin Khilji was an ambitious emperor. He assumed the title of Sikandar II Sani. Okay, इसका क्या मतलब है? Alexander the Great and made it imprinted on his coin. Okay, he had the ambition to win the entire world and also to introduce a new religion as well. But he abandoned the ideas on the advice of his faithful friend and the Kotwal. कौन थे वो? अलाउल मुल्क। उसके कहने पर इसने इस काम को रोक दिया। ओके, सो करेक्ट आंसर क्या हो जाएगा? ऑप्शन बी, दैट इज अलाउद्दीन खिलजी। विच सल्तनत ऑफ दिल्ली एज्यूम द टाइटल ऑफ अलेक्जेंडर द ग्रेट? अलाउद्दीन खिलजी, ऑप्शन बी। Who among the army commandant of Alauddin Khilji died fighting against Mongol? Zafar Khan, the famous army commander of Alauddin Khilji, died while fighting against Mongol. Okay, he was an excellent and courageous commander of this time. Mongol were so impressed by the bravery of Zafar Khan and the persistence of Khilji army that they backed down by 30 miles. Okay, इसका ओरिजिनल नाम क्या था? जाफर खान का ओरिजिनल नाम था मलिक यूसुफ हिजबराउद्दीन। सो इसका करेक्ट आंसर क्या हो जाएगा? ऑप्शन ए, दैट इज जाफर खान। पद्मिनी इज एसोसिएटेड विद अलाउद्दीन कंक्वेस्ट ऑफ चित्तौड़। वो किसकी वाइफ थी? The story of Padmini is well depicted on Padmavat, which is written by Malik Mahmud Jaisi in 1540 AD. According to this, Padmini was the wife of King Ratan Singh. Okay, इसका क्या करेक्ट आंसर हो जाएगा? ऑप्शन डी, दैट इज राणा रतन सिंह। ये राणा रतन सिंह की वाइफ थी। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन में असर्टन में क्या दिया हुआ है? अलाउद्दीन्स डक्कन एक्सपीडिशन वर फाइनेंशियल वेंचर। रीजन क्या है? ही वांटेड टू एनेक्स द डक्कन स्टेट। ये स्टेटमेंट सही है जबकि रीजन फॉल्स है। ओके, सो करेक्ट आंसर हो जाएगा ऑप्शन सी। Who was the ruler of Devgiri at the time of Alauddin Khilji's invasion? Ramchandra Dev was the ruler of Devgiri at the time of Alauddin Khilji invasion. In 1296 AD, the king of Devgiri, Ramchandra Dev, after the successful invasion of Alauddin Khilji, promises him to send the revenue from Ilijpur every year during 1305 to 1306 AD. He did not send the tax to Delhi. Okay, इसलिए क्या होता है? अलाउद्दीन सेंड एन आर्मी अंडर द लीडरशिप ऑफ मलिक कफूर टू अटैक देवगिरी इन 1307। उससे क्या होता है? किंग रामचंद्र देव की हार होती है और वो सरेंडर कर देते हैं। ओके, सो करेक्ट आंसर क्या हो जाएगा? ऑप्शन ए, दैट इज रामचंद्र देव। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, कंसीडर द मैप गिवन बिलो। द रूट इंडिकेटेड ऑन द मैप वाज फॉलोड ड्यूरिंग द कोर्स ऑफ हिज मिलिट्री एक्सप्लॉइट्स। रूट कौन सा है? ये रूट है। ये रूट किसके द्वारा फॉलो किया गया था? The route indicated on the map was followed by the commander Malik Kafur during his victory of South during Sultanate period. Okay, Alauddin Khilji found Malik Kafur during his victory of Gujarat. Kafur was also called 1000 dinar Kafur. Okay, probably the amount paid by the Sultan for his possession. उसको कितने में खरीदा गया था? 1000 दिनार में उसको खरीदा गया था, इसलिए इसको 1000 दिनार काफूर के नाम से भी जानते हैं। ओके, सो करेक्ट आंसर हो जाएगा ऑप्शन डी, दैट इज मलिक काफूर। Whose army was defeated by the army of Kakatiya ruler in 1303 at Warangal? In 1303, the first attempt by Alauddin to conquer Warangal ended in the disaster at the time of the Kakatiya dynasty defeated him. The Kakatiya king Prataprudra raised a well-equipped army, and Alauddin's army, which was led by Fakhruddin Juna and Malik Chaju, was defeated by the Kakatiya army. So correct answer हो जाएगा option C, Alauddin Khilji. During the regime of which sultan was the Khalsa land developed on the large scale? ये खालसा लैंड क्या होता है? The main purpose of Alauddin behind the system of revenue and tax system was to establish a powerful and autocratic state. He snatched all the land from those people who got the land as milk. Milk का क्या मतलब है? Property given by the state as prizes. And वक्फ, वक्फ का क्या मतलब होता है? Land received in charity. Therefore, खालिसा land developed on a large scale. So इसका करेक्ट आंसर क्या हो जाएगा? ऑप्शन बी, that is Alauddin Khilji. The sultan who is said to have raised the land revenue to 1/2 of the produce was Alauddin Khilji. Fixed the land revenue को खराज भी बोलते थे, to 1/2 to the produce. He was the first Indian Muslim king to impose a tax on actual income of the land. He was the first ruler who started charging taxes by measuring the land. ये आपको याद रखना है. He was the first ruler who started charging tax by measuring the land. He fixed the revenue by measuring the land. Alauddin also levied the house and grazing tax. It is also described that Muhammad bin Tughlaq, who had charged to 50% land revenue in Doab area, Muhammad bin Tughlaq revenue demand was based upon estimate, but Alauddin Khilji's demand was up to the measurement of land. So correct answer क्या हो जाएगा? ऑप्शन बी एंड सी, बोथ Alauddin Khilji और मोहम्मद बिन तुगलक दोनों ने ये टैक्स लगाया था. ओके, सुल्तान who raised the land revenue to 50% of the produce was, अभी हमने देखा, Alauddin Khilji और मोहम्मद बिन तुगलक. Consider the following statement connected with Alauddin Khilji. Select the correct answer from the coding scheme given below. He collected revenue by measuring the cultivated land. Yes, he enforced revenue measure in his entire empire. This is wrong. He abolished the power of provincial government. This is true. First and third statement is true. So correct answer is option C. Next question, ascertain में क्या दिया हुआ है? Alauddin Khilji introduced price control in Delhi. Yes, this is true. He wanted to pay lower wages to the artisans building his palaces in Delhi. This is wrong. So correct answer कौन सा हो जाएगा? ऑप्शन सी, that is A is true and R is false. Alauddin Khilji introduced the price control policy. He had appointed the efficient official for the success of his policy. He appointed Malik Kabul as Sehna or inspector of the market and provided him with a large detachment of cavalry and infantry to help him in the work. He gave him extensive authority. He controlled all the merchant and informed the king about fluctuations of price and general situation of the market. Next question देखेंगे, which of the following sultan introduced market reforms? Alauddin Khilji. Who of the following Muslim ruler enforced a strict price control system during his time? The system of market control or price control was introduced by Alauddin Khilji during the Sultanate period. Okay, ये question बहुत important है. Alauddin had a vast army in the center and gave them wages in cash. Okay, वो cash में देते थे, उस समय ऑनलाइन सिस्टम नहीं था आज की तरह. He was the first sultan of Delhi to do so. The expenditure of the army was very high. According to Barani, if the army had give the normal wages, then the treasury of the state will finish within 5 to 6 years. Thus, to reduce the expenditure of army, he reduces the wages of the soldier. He had fixed the price of the commodities and reduced their rate so that his soldier could live comfortably. Okay, so correct answer क्या हो जाएगा? Option A, that is Alauddin Khilji. The attempt of Alauddin Khilji to control the market price. The attempt by Alauddin Khilji to control the market price was highly successful. Alauddin Khilji measure to control the market price was one of the most important policy initiative of his reign. Okay, he established separate market in Delhi. वो कौन कौन से मार्केट थे? ग्रेन मार्केट और मंडी फॉर ग्रेन, क्लॉथ एंड ग्रोसरीज मार्केट, मार्केट फॉर हॉर्सेस, स्लेव्स, कैटल etc, मार्केट फॉर मिसलेनियस कमोडिटीज. ओके, सो करेक्ट आंसर क्या हो जाएगा? ऑप्शन सी, दैट इज इट वाज हाईली सक्सेसफुल. The market control system was introduced by Alauddin Khilji. ये क्वेश्चन बार बार पूछा जा रहा है. Which one of the following king of the medieval India began the public distribution system? The public distribution system was introduced by Alauddin Khilji during Sultanate period. Okay, so correct answer is option A. Who started the public distribution system in Sultanate period? अभी हमने देखा Alauddin Khilji. Which Sultanate of Delhi was the first to charge ghari or house tax? The two type of tax implemented by Alauddin Khilji was कौन कौन सा था? वो घड़ी टैक्स which was implemented on house and huts, और दूसरा था grazing tax और milk giving animals. Okay, so correct answer क्या हो जाएगा? ऑप्शन बी, ये दोनों टैक्स Alauddin Khilji ने लगवाया था. What was the boundary between the Delhi Sultanate and Mongol during the period of Alauddin Khilji after 1306 AD? After 1306 AD, during the period of Alauddin Khilji, Ravi River was the border between Delhi Sultanate and Mongol. Okay, in 1306, under Kabak, Mongols attacked, but on the bank of Ravi River, Malik Kafur and Ghazi Malik stopped them. Okay, hence Ravi became the boundary between them. So correct answer हो जाएगा option B, that is Ravi River. Which of the following sultanate appointed a special army to protect the boundaries of the empire? Alauddin Khilji took various steps to consolidate his empire. He set up a strong central government and raised a powerful and enormous army to protect his empire. So correct answer हो जाएगा option D, that is Alauddin Khilji. Which ruler of Delhi Sultanate declared himself as Khalifa? अलाउद्दीन खिलजी के डेथ के बाद कुतुबुद्दीन मुबारक शाह और मुबारक खिलजी was imprisoned by Malik Kafur. बाद में क्या होता है? He ascended the throne after getting out of prison. He assumed the title of Al-Iman and Khilafat ul-Leh. Okay, he was the only ruler who assumed the title of Caliph himself. So correct answer हो जाएगा मुबारक खिलजी. तो इस लेक्चर में इतना ही था. नेक्स्ट लेक्चर में हम तुगलक डायनेस्टी को देखेंगे. ओके, अगर आपको ये लेक्चर जरा सा भी पसंद आया हो तो काइंडली शेयर एंड सब्सक्राइब माय चैनल.